In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord notification sound not working. If you're missing message pings or mention alerts in Discord, the most common cause is that the in-app notification sounds are turned off. The good news is that you can fix this quickly using Discord's own settings, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for. First, open Discord and head to the small gear icon at the bottom left of the app. You'll find it next to your profile area. This opens User Settings, which is where Discord keeps all the controls that affect how the app behaves on your device. We're going straight to the place that handles alerts. Inside User Settings, look down the left sidebar and select Notifications. This section controls what you're alerted about and whether those alerts make a sound. It's easy to miss a single switch here, so take a moment to scan the options carefully as we go. Now, enable the notifications you actually want to hear. Discord typically offers toggles for different types of events, such as direct messages, mentions, and other activity. Turn on the ones that matter to you, and make sure you don't leave anything off that you expect to trigger a sound. Think of this as telling Discord, "These are the events I care about." Just as important, make sure you enable the sounds themselves. Look for the setting that controls notification sounds and switch it on. Some users turn on notifications but forget the sound toggle, which means you'll see alerts without hearing them. With sounds enabled, Discord will play an audible ping when those selected events happen, so you won't miss important updates. Before you leave this page, use the Preview Sound button. Click it to play a sample notification tone right away. This is a quick way to confirm that your choices are working. If you hear the preview clearly, it means Discord is set up to play sounds for the notifications you enabled. If you don't hear the preview, revisit the toggles on this page to make sure nothing is disabled by mistake. That's all there is to it. By opening User Settings with the gear icon, selecting Notifications, enabling the alerts you want, turning on sounds, and using the Preview Sound button to confirm, you've covered the essentials for getting Discord's notification sound working again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you catch every important ping without missing a beat.